You hear that? That's the sound of nature, man. Nice, relaxing vibes, don't it? Yes, man, this is Jamaica. Beautiful rivers, you know. Right now I'm at Chilani, Martha Brae. You understand? This is the famous Martha Brae rafting river. But they have section on the river where you could come and, chill out like this. Well, my name is RK, aka Reaper's Kid, Reaper's Entertainment. Trevor, you know me as, right? This year, just want to start the new year, the different vibe, you know, different settings. This is like one of my favorite spots to like chill out, enjoy the day, cook some food, which we're about to showcase right now on the vlog. So you can just look out for that, ASMR people them. I got you. But right now we're on the riverside, the riverbank. As you can see. Yeah, as you can see, about to cook some food and enjoy this beautiful river and enjoy beautiful nature. Yeah, man. Awesome, eh? Alright, so with no further ado, go and prepare up the fire. Fire right there. I have most of the stuff that I need up there. So yeah, look out for more. That's cool, man. I'll look a vlog, Alright, so while the fire go and catch, I go prepare up the rest of stuff them. See it? That is it. Alright, so what we have right here, we have some ripe plantain, have some avocado, have some salt, flour, and some seasoning. Today we're going to look after some ripe plantain fritters. Yeah, man, right on the riverside. See? That is the vibe. man, ready right now, you know? Have some fritters and some onion and tomato and scallion. Yeah, man.
Nice. What's for dinner?
Rye plant and fritters. Make it get hot. It don't get hot. Yep. Yeah man, this is it, finished product. So that. Yeah man, so this is ripe plantain fritters. Yeah man, cook up with some onion and tomato and scallion with the spice and nice. So we're gonna test it out right now. Cool? Yeah man, so we have the avocado there. Yeah man, see a nice piece, nice fat piece. Got that. Plantain stand out. What a combination. Trust me. Bye. Bye. I'm gonna finish up this now and take a swim, right? Good old white rum, you see, Pray? Nice river vibes. Nah, I really enjoyed this. It was amazing. It was practically new for me, but nevertheless, I end up even left the pot. I have to end up going back for the pot. But as I said, nevertheless, it turned out really good, and I'm grateful. So if you guys want to see more content like this, just like, share and subscribe. You understand? And just spread the good news. You know, I'll be going on more adventure, more trips like this, more rivers around Jamaica, and I'll be definitely vlogging and showing you guys the experience. Because right now, this alone is nothing but amazing. Trust me. Nothing like river vibes. So, my belly full now. So you know, say, I water time. Yeah man people, why water nice. Whew. Water really nice people, trust me. Nice bird. So I say, if you guys ever in Trelawny area, you know Matabele River, where they do the rafting, yeah man, this is the same river right here. So if you guys want to check it out, yeah man, you can come. It's a free open spot. You have one here and the next one around the corner right there. nice river, you see me? Yeah man, just go and look out for more content coming your way. Arcade tours and excursion, Reapers Entertainment. Yeah man, this is it. This is life. Believe.